How about you earn $500 just to copy and paste? This is easy work available worldwide. All you have to do is just follow this video. This is the Make Money Online opportunity that I'm about to share in this video that you will love. Definitely, you can not just earn $500, but you can just earn thousands of dollars with ease. You just don't need any technical skills. You just don't need any money to invest. No need to know any technical knowledge. You just spend some times and you just copy some text here and there and paste it, and you're good to go to earn money with this method. Just stay with me. I'm going to show you how you can use it and how you can use it, a free tool without any problem. So before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from MoneyHon. If you want to know more latest Make Money Online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel with my new videos every day. So see you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method, the site that going to pay us for copy and paste some text and writing. This is about writing. Yeah, the site that I'm about to show you is called clearvoice.com. Yes, this is clearvoice.com. This is a really good freelancer sites, and it's like article freelancer sites. You have to write article, but wait, you do not need to be a professional writer. You just don't need to know any grammatical as well. You can use just simple free tools, and I'm going to show you in this video. Just stay with me till the end of this video. I'm going to show you some good way, just by simply you can spend some minutes and you are good to go to write professional looking unique article without any problem and earn money with that. So Clear Voice is going to pay you, and you can scroll through this. This is a professional site without any problem. You can start earning money in these websites. I just showing you similarweb.com traffic overview of clearvoice.com. You can see that these sites is making around 500,000 total visits every month. So this is a really popular websites that can make you lots of money without any problem. So if I just hover on my mouse in talent network menu, you can see that you can write articles about advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, software, tech, retail. With any topic you want, you can write article about. If you just click on the join our talent network, this is the writers network to join to write article and earn money in Clear Voice. So if you just click on that, this page will show up, and this is asking for your first name and last name to get started with ease. All you have to do, just put your first name and last name and press get started. It will ask for your email, or you can use Twitter account or your Google or Gmail account to log in with it, but you can use your email as well. So if you just put everything there and hit submit, and it will show something like this after registrations and confirming your email address. This is your name, this is the profile. You can change the profile picture. Currently the CV completion rate is showing 10%. This is a brand new account, so this is 10%. You need to get it to 100%. So what is the requirement for it? You just import your CVs, you just complete your every details of your profile. You just add and connect all the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn social profiles accounts here, and this all will move these persons to 100%. But still you need contents. The main thing of this website is articles, so you need articles to exactly hit 100% completion rate. So you just scroll down and you can see that in the bottom right corner there is add content button. If you just click on it, it's asking for a PDF or your article link as a PDF. So you need a article file to upload into this website, so you can reach 100% profile level of it, so you can start earning money and get much more attractions from buyer. If you just input your CVs here, you will just be create a brand here, you can get more better jobs here, you can share your CV portfolio to other social media networks to get tractions, you can just set your own rate as well. You just don't need to be a fixed rate. You can just ask for your articles 100, 200, $1,000, $500, $1,000, or even more money for writing professional article. But definitely, to start with, you can ask for less money, like $50, $20, and then when you get experience, you can increase your rate day by day. But definitely, if you just scroll down, and you can see that peoples are working out here. If you just, for example, these peoples are writers and successfully earning money from clearvoice.com. If you just go over to there, this person's view CV button, and it will show this person's profile, and you can see that how cool and how professionally this persons is writing and working in clearvoice.com. You can see that all these articles are written by this person, and you can see she writes in every genre, every topics she writes in this in here, and all these articles are making money without any problem. So what is the catch here? I just need to follow a niche or keywords I like, and I write something about it and then upload it to my profile to increase the percent CV completion percents, so that I can earn money and I can get hired by buyers. So you just search for anything you like, and on google.com, yes, you just go over to google.com, search anything you like that you want to write about, and you just pick any topics. If you just write anything, I just search for like insurance tips here. So if I'm right now want to write an article about insurance, so this is a finance related article. So if you just search for insurance tips on Google, it will show all the results. But definitely you can search for the latest articles. You need latest articles that is unique, that is most recent to the time. And so all that you can just click on tools here. If you just click on tools, it will show the time range here, and if you click on this anytime, if you just select any time like year, month, week, past month, past year, past hour, so I choose past month. So this result showing the articles written in the last month. So this is a recent. You can see that 6 days ago these two articles about insurance tips are published and indexed in google.com. So if I just click on this article, it will show the written article here, but I can just copy it and paste it, but that doesn't work. It's a plagiarism, so you cannot do that. You just need to write unique and professional writer written article to earn money from clearvoice.com. So what's the catch here? What to do here? I'm going to show you some free tools to use without any problem. Within a couple of minutes you can write or rewrite these articles without any problem and earn money with that. But before I show you that, if you're enjoying this video, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, stay with my new videos every day. So let's move on to the method. That tools that I'm about to show you is called SpinBot. You may heard it or not, but this is the working free tools available online that doesn't require even any registrations. You can just work right away. All it takes is just go and select any articles from Google search. You just copy the text and paste it into the text box in SpinBot, and just complete the captcha and hit go, and it will rewrite all the text and rewrite it, and it make it an unique article. But definitely this is a bot, so there is some grammatical mistakes can present here. So all it takes, you just copy the rewritten text here, and you just move on to Google Docs. Yes, you just log into Google Docs, open a blank document, and paste that rewritten article from Spinbot into Google Docs. And then what I recommend, if you just don't know about grammatical errors, you can use a tools. You just go over to grammarly.com, or you can search for Grammarly Chrome extensions, or if you just use Firefox, you can search on Firefox Grammarly Firefox extensions, and you can just install this extension. This is totally free extensions provided by grammarly.com that will definitely help you write these articles in a perfect way, humanly readable way. So all it takes, just install these extensions, and it will add something like this. If you just reload your Google Docs, and you can see this little icon, you just click on it, and it will load the Grammarly extensions on the right side of it, and you can see that it's already calculating all the errors and showing it in a red line here. You just click it and just simply correct all the grammatical errors within seconds, and your articles will be purely perfect. And for the clarification, for the better article, you just read it, and if you think like it's just like a robotic meaning, you change the article to humanly readable as possible, and you just spend more times to make the articles more professional. And then you just go over to file, just go over to download, and you can just see that PDF document. You click on PDF, and it will be saved to your PC like a PDF document, and then you can upload it to ClearVoice profile. So I just go back to my ClearVoice profile, and I just click on add content, and I want to upload files. So I click on upload files, and I select my PDF file, and it's uploading. When it's uploaded, it will show the preview of it, and then it's asked for the title. You just definitely write that exact title that you are written about, your article title here, and then the date and the category. For the category, as this is a finance related article, so I just select business finance here, and for the articles category, and then you just choose all the fields here without any problem, and you write a good descriptions, couple of sentences about the article, and hit update, and you are good to go to make this article available into your profile, ClearVoice profile. And you can see that right away I just uploaded this PDF, and I got 5% increase in my CV completion. So if I hit 100%, then I'm good to go with ClearVoice. I'm automatically going to get hired by article buyers all over the world. We will just go to my profile and see how I write. If they like my writings, they will definitely ask to write their articles, and they're going to pay me for that. And definitely you can ask for any amount, $500, $1000 you can earn with this method without any problem. All it takes, just simply copy and paste some work, and you are good to go. All I recommend, you just have to be active, then money will follow you. So this is the end here. You just do it as I say you to, and definitely you can earn more than $500 just by copy pasting, and you can just write professional writing articles without any problem. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.